Now we are going to add these avatars on our profile page. So we have to back to the profile components, and then inside here we add the class name. So we add the class name with maximum width of 6XL, and you can see that width is 72 rem, and we have the horizontal margin. So we have the margin left and margin right. We have the paddings, and also for the extra large we have the margin X auto. And then inside this we create another div, and we are going to use the grid. So we type the class name, which is grid, and we have the grid columns 4, and the gap between them is 4, because we want to divide this into 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and we want this to take up 2 columns. And we already has the Daisy UI, so we can use the Daisy UI at the profile page. So inside the div we want to start to use the avatar, so we use the class name of avatar, and then we create a round through, and the width and height is 36. And then we add the image inside this circle. So if you look at our web page, and now you can see the avatars already appeared on our profile page. So now we want to create another div, and this time we just add some random text, and as we said before, we want to make it occupy 2 columns, so we use this column span 2, and now you can see it has 2 columns, and inside this we just type some lower some text. Now you can see it occupy 2 columns, and at last we also want to adjust this to the center horizontally, so we can use justify center and save it. Now you can see it will move to the center of its own columns.